All right, here we go. How to buy downloadable products from Lots of Fresh Air. That's me, Caro. So we head on over to the store, click here, and you can see all of these downloads available, some with costs, some without costs. So speaking of the downloads with a cost, a small cost, the second edition upgrade pages. So we click here to add to the cart. Happy days, the cart is now up the top. We can either go view cart here, I need coffee, or up here to view cart or checkout. So let's just have a look and check what's in the cart. So yep, our second edition upgrade. Beautiful, and no changes, not going to add anything else in, just proceed to checkout. Now I'm going to put in my details here. Let's see, and then I can enter in my credit card details right down here. We're going to go and place the order. I have slow internet today. And ping, oh, I've just received an email over in my inbox tray. So there's a couple of ways to do this. Here's my confirmation screen that comes up. There's my download. I can click this here and download straight away. And down in my files on my computer, it's going to arrive into my downloads or into my desktop, wherever you choose for your downloads to go. Alternatively, I can head over to my email inbox where I will see I have received an email. And here is the email that just arrived at the same time I placed the payment through into my inbox. Yes, all of that kind of stuff. If you wanted to download, simply click the link below. So yeah, down here to how to navigate upgrade. Yes, you can always come back and to this email and download it again. It doesn't expire. And there's confirmation of your payment details. And yeah, happy days. That is how you do it.